ahead. Peaches. Peaches, peaches. Going to the country, gonna eat a lot of peaches. Oh, you burped. I'm sorry, love. What do you think? Oh, what a mess we're making. What? Where's your mouth? Stay still. What do you think? What do you think of peaches? What do you think of messy peaches? Not bad? Not bad? No? I don't know, eh? Very confusing. I don't know. One more bite. Ready? Ugh. There you go. There you go, everyone. That's my peaches.